عمركم شفتم فخار بينور في الضلمة ومن غير كهرباء؟ يلا بينا نشوف وصلنا لغاية هنا ازاي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، ومعاكم هالة فؤاد وحلقة عن الفخار التركي الأصيل أو الفخار الهيتايتس. تعالوا نتعرف الأول عن حضارة الهيتايتس. الهيتايتس هي أول ما بدأت في أناطوليا اللي هي دلوقتي تركيا، وبعد كده توسعت في أماكن في سوريا وفي لبنان وفي قبرص. طيب أنا بقول لكم كده ليه؟ علشان أي حاجة هنشوفها في الحلقة دي وارد نشوفها في بلاد تانية. يقال إن الهيتايتس دول من سلالة سام ابن سيدنا نوح عليه السلام. الفخار بالنسبة للحضارة التركية القديمة كان شبه كل حاجة، كان هو الحب والاقتصاد، الأكل، الشرب، أي حاجة ممكن نفكر فيها كان ليه فيها دخل.
It belongs Ottoman because to make big family is very important for Ottoman period. That's why there are two tulips represent father and mother. They get married. There is a small heart, means beginning of this family. Another spring flower symbolizing their children, great grandchildren, long life, long generation.
Pretty, I love that. And from within, it's the Egyptian eye.
Yeah, Egyptian eye is extra detail.
It's the most important.
Actually, it was very nice wedding gift.
مثلا لو واحد رايح يتجوز يبقى لازم يعمل فخار عبارة عن حلة ويعمل لها غطا محكم ويقدمه لأهل العروسة. لو شافوه عمل الحلة كويس وغطاها بيقفل كويس معناها ان الراجل دوت هيصوم بيته ويحافظ على بنتهم.
Actually, there will be two individual pieces we are going to see. First piece going to be lit, the color, and second piece going to be the ball. The most important moment at the end of the demonstration, we are going to see whether the lit fits or not. While he's shaping, he doesn't use any measuring tools, just by talent, just by
hands.
study hand.
Oh, wow.
So we are going to see whether the lit fit or not. Actually, this art, pottery making, was invented by the Hittite civilization about 4,000 years ago in Cappadocia, in this area, and continue to till these days, as I told you before, like father to son, master to student, like this, because there is no school for this art to learn something. That's why always passes through generation to generation.
Would you say you are the best in the world?
I don't say actually, but
You show, you don't say.
We do everything. Like sculpture, like tile, plate, bowl, anything we want, we can do. Mr. Ahmed has 25 years experience.
Yeah, he looks very
Actually,
professional.
he has other professions about another sections, like
Like what?
firing stages and lace design. He's also designer. We are going to see when we go other section. Ceramic means the general name of this art.
Ceramic.
Yeah, ceramic. But in this art, there are lots of clay to do something. We have just two of them, red clay and white clay. This is red one. You can see some white clay items. The mixture is different.
But then it changes color?
The white clay items actually better material to apply. You can feel you can apply what you feel easy to white clay, because white basement already best basement to apply all color on it. But the red clay items just available for Hittite design. And this design done by red clay items. So red clay items, they have only one times firing, and then we draw design by Rapido pen, and then we varnish them. That's why this is only for decoration. You can't use. This is only for decoration. But the difference between red clay and white clay, red clay only for decoration, white clay items, they are usage. You can use
So you cannot put water or...
anything you like you can use with the white clay item.
وكمان نوع الفخار اللي انت بتقدمه او اللي انت بتعمله بيبين وبيوضح مستواك الاجتماعي. لو انت من عيلة هاي كلاس هتعمل فخار فخم، اما لو واحد على قده فهيعمل فخار على قده.
Means you can earn money. That's why in front of your friend's father, if till it no fit, you cannot get married in this area. If till it fit, you can get married.
Is it like to say that the daughter's future is safe for the person? It's like to say that the daughter's future is safe, that he can make money out of it?
Maybe. Maybe. We are going to see how many wives he
If
has.
Ahmad is getting married or not. Nice.
How many wives do you have?
Congrats, Ahmad.
Only one. Then by 50 years experience, Mr. Salim Kolhas production.
He's unbelievable master and nobody can do this on anything in here. All patent by government, nobody can copy any of them in here.
How many times did he get married?
أما من الناحية الاقتصادية فكان ساعتها عامل كده الفخار زي العملة الذهب، يعني مثلا ممكن يتبادلوا مع مصر أو اليونان فخار بفخار أو فخار بأسلحة أو بأكل أو بذهب أو بشرب وهكذا.
Where is it from?
It belongs to your country.
Egyptian?
Ancient Egypt.
Ancient. I didn't know that. That's crazy.
In ancient Egypt.
وكانوا التراكوة بيستخدموا الفخار في تسوية الأكل زي بوتري كباب، كباب الفخار، طواجن اللحم، ولغاية النهاردة تركيا والبلاد المجاورة ليها برضو بيستخدموا الفخار في تسوية الأكل. طيب هم بيعملوا الفخار ده ازاي؟ بيجيبوا الكلي اللي هي الصلصال، بيجيبوه من الأنهار أو التين أو من كذا مكان تاني، وبعدين بيشكلوه على شكل فازة أو طبق أو اللي هم عايزينه على البوتري ويل أو العجلة الفخارية. بعد كده بيشيلوه يحطوه على جنب لغاية لما ينشف 100. يبدأوا يدخلوه زي فرن كده ويسخنوه بالراحة وبطريقة معينة.
We shape the clay and then we first put them into our drying room. About 2-3 weeks we dry them. If they dry perfectly, if there is no crack, no chip, we put them into electrical oven, 950 degrees Celsius, 15 hours. We bake them. After firing process, we draw design red clay, Hittite design, yellow one, only for decoration because outside is totally covered by varnished. That's why this is only for decoration. But white clay items, as I told you, totally different. At the next part, we are going to see white clay section.
وبعد ما بيطلع من الفرن وياخد درجة برودة معينة يبدأوا يرسموا ويلونوا ينقشوا يعملوا الديكوريشن اللي هم عايزينه، وبعد كده آخر بقى محطة يرجعوه الفرن تاني بس المرة دي بسخونة قوية، ودي اللي بيسموها جليس فايرنج.
After he finished the design, he's going to coloring. He doesn't use any brush for this kind of stuff. Actually, he used brush to make this blue base, and then brush is finished. He just used plastic tube actually. He applied liquid clay into the plastic tube. You shake it.
What does that help with?
This is clay and water into the plastic tube. He shake it and then he just do that like this. So this part after first firing, 1040 degrees Celsius, 12 hours first firing, they become like this, durable. And then masters, they draw design. They paint them by using metal oxide. And then we just dip the painted items to glaze. And we put all glazed items to oven for second time firing. Again, 1000 of degrees Celsius. 2 days later, glaze melting and become glass. Protect all workmanship.
Why does the color fade away in this process?
Because of this color is silica, white. But when they get the 1000 of degrees Celsius into the kiln, this material melting turns to glass and become like this actually. So they already glaze it. We put them here for second time firing. They are going to fire about 1040 degrees Celsius, 12 hours again. After firing process, become glass. So it is going to be protect for everything. That's why you can serve anything you like. You can wash by hand, even color never comes out. Stays like this forever, lifetime.
But don't you put the second firing after putting the color and
It
everything?
stays like this, just.
So there's no color for this one?
No.
Alright, it stays white.
Glaze here. We use lead-free glaze. No poison. That's why we use lead-free glaze. Because our items, they are not only for decoration. It is totally up to you. You can use if you want.
قبل ما نختم الحلقة خليني أقول لكم سر كمان. بالنسبة للفخار اللي احنا شفناه في أول الحلقة اللي بينور ده، هو بيتعمل تقريبا بنفس الطريقة، بس بيضيفوا له مادة اسمها فوسفور، والمادة ديت لازم يعرضوها لأي نور لمدة ربع ساعة علشان تقدر تنور بعد كده في الضلمة لمدة ساعة من غير لا كهرباء ولا شحن.
As you can see, they have phosphor in them. Because we apply special pigment inside, which is sea phosphorus, under the glaze. When they absorb the light 15-20 minutes enough, they glowing 1 hour like this, recharging and glowing lifetime.
Oh, right.
Lifetime recharging, lifetime glowing like this forever.
وفي نهاية الحلقة أحب أشكر الفنان مهمت أسلو اللي هو هداني بالحلقة ديت، واللي هو اداني المعلومات القيمة، وأشكركم على أن انتوا تابعتوا الحلقة، ويا رب تكون عجبتكم، وأسيبكم في أمان الله وسلام.